Hello, welcome back guys to Spodaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to display notifications on Motorola G06 power lock screen. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here I'm going to show you that in my phone there are many notifications here, yeah guys. And if I turn off my phone, there are no notifications anymore at this lock screen. So if you want to display the notification in this lock screen, you just have to go to the settings first. Here I'm going to open my settings, and now in this settings page, you just have to scroll it down until you'll find here the notifications options. You just have to tap on it. Now go to this notifications on lock screen first. And after to display the notification on lock screen, you just have to choose these two options, which is show confirmations, default and silent one, or the second one is hide silent conversations and notifications. Here I'm gonna use the first one, and then I'm gonna try it first. I'm gonna turn off my phone. When I open it on my lock screen, there are notifications here, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.